crunchy garlic parm Brussels sprouts. Want some? Simply just the tip. Just the tip. Brussels sprout. It's so important that if we cut off too much of the tip here, we're gonna lose a lot of the good leaves when we go to cook this thing. So I did a couple as an example. We lose quite a few leaves here. We go about a 1/4 inch, you can see we lost that one. We lost that one. So these are big leaves that we're losing. We lose this one and this one. I'm not even looking at the bucket. I haven't missed yet. So now I'm gonna just slice them right down the center. You see that? We're not losing any of the outer Brussels sprouts. In with some olive oil, some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, just a couple of cracks of salt. Let's give those a good toss. I've been preheating that tray, so be very careful because that's going to be olive oil on the tray. Place your Brussels sprouts cut side down, okay? Try and space them out. Crunchy, flavorful Brussels on the tray. We're going to use it up. We want room to breathe. So we're just over halfway through, and I want to show you underneath what it looks like. So you see how that's getting nice and crispy? So we like that. We've got a little bit more time to go, but now's the time where we're going to add some Parmesan right on top of these guys. Now, we hope that this is going to also crisp up. We're going to be able to blend everything together afterwards. Great flavor combo. Back in. Look at those. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Golden brown Parmesan. Whoa. Mmm. Oh yeah. They smell fantastic. They're seasoned up, spiced up, flavor, the Parmesan, love it. Moms, parents, if you're looking for ways to get the kids to eat some more greens, this is a good option to have out there. You're not fooling them. You're just adding some really good flavor to them. Give this easy recipe a try. Remember, like, comment, follow, subscribe, share, all your friends. That way you can see more great, easy recipes. The kids are going to love them. You're going to love them. You're going to be more of a champ than you already are. Look, look. Look how good that's going to be. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Boom! I'm going to eat more greens just like this. Look. This is going to be great. I could eat it all. Just like that. Oh, it's stuck. Mmm. Crunchy parm. Got it. Look at that. Oh, I don't think I can get all that in. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious.